Figured I'd chime in and give you guys a little update on the KXT450. This is an 07 KX450f that I converted into a three-wheeler. Yes, that is the rake and the sit and how it's gonna sit. I pulled the plates in. If you look here, you can see forks go there, stem goes like that. I pulled that front wheel in 3 inches by cutting the plates differently. That's all you gotta do. Put the rake in the plates using the KX linkage with a Sawyer custom swing arm. Got custom modified dirt bike subframe. Put a gusset extension, grab bar, still got to put the air box in it, change out a suspension link bolt. This is a quad and a dirt bike seat pan. Blend the two, make them work. There you have it. This thing's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a Tri-Z front fender. That's actually an OEM Tri-Z front fender. JR Trike Sport number plate. KFX450 rear fenders and seat cover and seat pan. 300EX. 2+ rear axle. Yes, it's missing a shim on that side. This is just to roll it around. I've got to do the brake stay still. I'm thinking about using the dirt bike rear brake. I've just got to make a new mount for the brake stay. Stock factory Kawasaki exhaust. The kicker does clear. And put my hand in there. Absolute beauty. When she's done, it will be for sale. Gonna be starting, asking probably $11K for it. Take best offer. If anybody is interested, shoot me a message. Put a comment down in the video below. Let me know what you think of this thing. She's almost done.